Isang magandang Saturday na naman po sa ating lahat. Ito po si Mami Fem at welcome po sa Usapang Pantahanan Cooking Series number 18. At syempre, Mami Nardine, ang ating feature ay mga estudyante muli ng Home Economics mula sa Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology. Hello Mami Nardine, kamusta na? At sino nga ba ang ating mga bisita for today?
Hello, Mami Fem. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to another new beautiful Saturday. Tama ka, Mami Fem. Ang ating mga bisita ay mga beautiful girls, mga home economists from Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology. Ang kanila pong gagawin at ipapakita sa ating lahat ay tungkol sa mango dumplings at saka lemongrass in red sweet potato tops juice. Okay, mga kaibigan, ipapakita po ng ating mga magagandang bini-bini ang kanilang recipe for the day na pangungunahan po ni Julia Nicole Ambrosio, Sharon May Fajardo, Diana May Plasus, Meki Tangguyan, and Christine Joy Sarcus. Sila po ay mga home economists from Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology. Panoorin po natin sila and enjoy!
Good day, everyone!
We are the home economists of Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology.
I am Julia Nicole Ambrosio.
And I am Diana May N. Plasos.
And I am Meki White Tangguyan.
I am Sharon May Fajardo.
And I am Christine Joy R. Sarcos.
We are joining the Usapang Pantahanan Cooking Series.
Oh, it is delicious and tasty. Yes, because the aim is to make it creamy and somewhat sweet. There are 4 preparations in making mango pie: dough preparation, puree preparation, packing and frying the mango pie. First, add water and then the sugar. Put small amount of salt and then add 1 cup of evaporated milk. Mix it well until it dissolves. And after that, you can now add 1 kilo of flour. You can now flatten the massage dough using a rolling pin. Since rolling pin is not available, any substitution will do. And we are using glass. This is a pure mango. After slicing the mango, put the mango into a pan and stir. Add 1 cup of evaporated milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The aim is to lessen the mango pie sourness. Note that too much intake of ripe mango will lead to diabetes.
Do you know that mango is a low-calorie fruit that high in fiber and is a great source of vitamin A and C?
It also contains folate, iron, and a little calcium, zinc, and vitamin E.
It improves eye health, alkalizes the whole body, and helps with diabetes.
According to Food and Nutrition Research Institute 2015, mango contains the following nutrients: 105 calories, 76% vitamin C, 25% vitamin A, and 11% vitamin B6 plus other B vitamins. Dip each in a beaten egg and then roll over the breadcrumbs. Fry until it's crispy and golden brown. Let's make lemongrass juice with calamansi and kamote tops. Here's our ingredients. We have lemongrass, kamote leaves, calamansi, and sugar. Do you know that lemongrass is a rich source of flavonoids and phenolic compounds which contain antioxidants? It is also an effective antibacterial and antifungal agent that contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. First, cut the kamote leaves. And then put the kamote leaves together with lemongrass. And then after a minute, you can now add the calamansi. Put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Did you notice that the color of our juice turns pink?
Yes, why did it turn pink?
It's because of calamansi acid and kamote tops were reacted so that the juice become more pink.
That's very amazing.
This kind of juice is somehow a refreshing drink and has a lot of nutritional benefits such as it helps regulate blood sugar, it lowers bad cholesterol, and raises immune functions. Mango pie is a great paired with lemongrass juice because it has a lot of health benefits such as help fight cancer, it reduces kidney stones, it is beneficial for good digestion, and strengthen our immune system.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Julia, Sharon, Meki, Diana, and Christine. Sa efforts na ibinigay po ninyo para naman matuto kami on how to prepare mango dumplings and of course yung ating paboritong lemongrass and red sweet potato tops. Yan, Mami, no? It's very nutritious. Talagang masasabi ko na ito ay talagang may enjoy ng bawat isa without the guilt. No? Actually, yung mango dumplings, yes, Mami, they can bake it kung meron silang oven. I think, kasi kung ayaw nyo namang iprito, kasi kanina, pinrito nila yung mango dumplings. Pero, I think, pwede naman yan i-bake para sa mga umiiwas ng mantika na pagkain. And of course, Mami, kanina na-enjoy ko talaga yung ating potato tops juice. Kasi, sweet potato top juice. Kasi, favorite ko talaga din yan. No? Actually, kapag gumagawa tayo ng mga juices, you can incorporate any hindi naman may mga herbs na talagang kumbaga magpapatingkad pa ng kanilang flavor and aroma.
Yes.
Katulad na lamang itong mint, no? Itong mint na to, naku, laganap naman ito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Actually, sa mga nursery plants, meron kayo mabibiling ganito, no? Kami meron dito sa bahay, no? Yung mint leaves. Yan palang mint leaves, hindi lang yan para sa mga Vietnamese dishes. Kasi most of the time sa Vietnamese dishes nilalagay, di ba, Mami? Ito palang mint leaves at pwedeng natin ilagay sa ating mga favorite juice. Kasi nga naman, ito ay may pungent but pleasant menthol flavor. Totoo yan na ano ko na siya nalasahan ko na siya, natikman ko na. And of course, meron siyang sweetish aftertaste. No? It goes well with most fruits. So add this to your guava, peach, apple, and sweet lime or pomegranate juice. So kung sa apple juice pala, masarap pala po, mami. No? And always serve chilled. Yan. Ayan. So it's your turn na, Mami Narlene. Ano pa ba ang isang herb na pwedeng-pwede to add flavor to any juice?
Okay. Isa sa pinaka common din na herbs na nakikita natin ay yung basil. No? Itong basil ay nakakadagdag talaga ito ng lasa at marami ito na ibibigay ding tulong sa ating katawan. Ang basil po ay isang fresh, green, and aromatic basil offers several benefits. Yan. For one, it is an antioxidant. It also helps with respiratory problems and indigestion. To use it, simply tear a few basil leaves and add them to your juice. A great morning pick-up is chilled orange or watermelon juice with some cinnamon and basil leaves. Alam niyo po ba na ang basil ay madali ring itanim? No? Meron ako niyang tanim, Mami Fem. Talagang maghahalimuyak ang kapaligiran mo pag marami kang basil na tanim. At itong basil na nakakatulong din to sa pagtanggal ng stomach spasm. No? Loss of appetite, intestinal gas and kidney conditions, fluid retention, head colds, warts, worm infection. Ito po ay nakakatulong para ito ay matanggal sa inyong sistema. It is also used to treat snake and insect bites. Kung may mga kagat-kagat kayo ng mga hayop. Pero pag snake, kailangan talaga siguro doktor na, no? Pero pang emergency lang naman ginagamit ang basil. It can also help after childbirth to promote blood circulation and to start the flow of breast milk. So, maganda po yan. Mami Fem, gumagamit ako niyan pag gusto ko yung pesto spaghetti, pesto pasta. Yan, nilalagay ko yan yung basil. Pero, ang basil daw po ay should be taken in food amount lang. Because too much may cause blood pressure to low, to lower the blood pressure, sa mga people with low blood pressure na. So, dapat food intake lang. Huwag masyado marami. Yung tama, tier ka lang, then lagay. Sa mga juice, konting isang dahon, okay na yun.
Ayan, no? Sarap naman yan. Okay? Yes. And of course, another is yung na-feature kanina, yung lemongrass. Hello, Mami, itong lemongrass na to, napakasarap talaga, Mami. Meron akong napuntahan na party. Dati yun, nung wala pang pandemic, no? Yung lemongrass ay in-incorporate nila sa pandan, tapos silagyan nila ng lemon juice. And it really works well. Yes. No? So, actually, ang lemongrass, napakadaling itanim yan dito sa atin. Diyan sa bakuran natin. No? And yes. Ang daming uses nito, hindi lang sa juice, kung hindi sa ating favorite soup, lalo na sa tinola and hot tea. Aba. Pero kung kayo ay gagamit ng lemongrass, katulad ng dinemo kanina ng ating mga guest students, yung ating masarap na fresh orange or pear juice ay it works well with lemongrass. No? And of course, ang talaga ng flavor dyan, Mami, ay yung pinaka-base niya. So when you buy lemongrass, ensure that its base is intact. Yung pinaka-dulo ng lemongrass, yun kasi nagbibigay talaga ng flavor. At dinidiktik pa yan, Mami, para lumabas yung flavor niya. Okay? So we have 3 herbs, the lemongrass, the mint, and the basil. So yan lang.
Basil.
Okay? So, Mami Narlene, ano ba? No? Pagkatapos natin pag-usapan to, ano ba ang pagkakaabangan nila next? Kasi another Christmas episode na naman at talagang ito ay akmang-akma para sa Christmas.
Sa mga mommies na naghahanda para sa Christmas nila, kanilang Noche Buena, sa next episode po natin ay gagawa tayo ng kasaba cake for Christmas. So ito yung mga local food na paborito natin. So bibigyan ng twist ang ating kasaba cake. So abangan po ninyo sa Sabado ang aming cooking series number 19 na kasaba cake for Christmas. So tingnan natin sila kung paano nila gawin ang kasaba at ihahanda natin yon sa
Christmas.
Di ba, Mami Fe?
Yes. So meron na
Meron tayo isang handang Christmas food.
Oo. Hindi lang yan, Mami. Kasi yung furniture natin today ng kasama ang ating mga estudyante ay kanilang naipakita sa atin another way to prepare mango dumplings. So, sa ngalan po ng Usapang Pantahanan, maraming salamat po muli sa ating mga bisita.
Maraming salamat po sa patuloy ninyong pagtangkilik sa aming Usapang Pantahanan. At kami po ni Mami Fem ay laging gagawa ng mga bagay na makakatulong po sa inyo. At isa pong iiwanan naming pasasalamat at lagi po nating mahalin ang ating pamilya, lalong-lalo na po, lalo yung mga tumatanda nating family, ay lagi po nating mahalin at isasama po ninyo sa panonood sa aming Usapang Pantahanan. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And may I include Lalin's project. And please be safe, love your family, embrace, and say I love you often, Mami Fem. I love you. Goodbye.
Yes, and before tayo mag-goodbye, meron pala akong isang nais pasalamatan, no? Si teacher o si Professor Annabel Villasiran, no? For allowing her students na mag-share sa atin sa Usapang Pantahanan from Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology. So, thank you so much, Professor Villasiran.
Ang gagaling nila.
And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Isang magandang weekend muli at see you then sa susunod na ating episode. Ito po si Mami Fe, kasama si
Mami Lalin. Mami Lalin. Sa
Usapang Pantahanan.
Usapang Pantahanan.
Bye-bye. Bisita.